Hello. Thank you to Dean Swanson, the faculty, and the staff of the School of Pharmacy for this opportunity to address you, the class of 2020. And to the class of 2020, congratulations. Job well done. Also, congratulations to the parents, other family members, friends, and the faculty for your support of our graduates during their journey. Now, this is not the format that any of us had in mind as we celebrate this occasion. An occasion that represents passage from student to practitioner, researcher, and other opportunities to contribute to the pharmaceutical care needs of a nation. And as I welcome you to this next chapter of your career, I cannot ignore the fact that there is also a pandemic that is welcoming you to the next chapter of your career. Yes, the COVID-19 virus is a challenge to us as individuals and to us as a society. As a society, it's a challenge to our way of life. It is a challenge to how we relate to one another. And it's also a challenge to our healthcare system and the delivery of care. Now, some of you may be asking, as I entered the profession during a time of a pandemic, what does society ask of me? And what does society ask of me during, quote, normal times? Well, as I've given thought to this question, I think society's ask of you is consistent. I think it is consistent whether it's during a time of a crisis such as a pandemic, or during, quote, normal times. I think society's ask of you is that you execute. You utilize the training and skills that you've gained over the last several years to improve the care of a nation. I think society's ask of you is simply do what you are capable of doing. Now, regardless of the career path that you've chosen, I know that you are well prepared for your future. I know that the academic experience, the practice experience, and the coaching of faculty have prepared you well for a career that you will enjoy. You have the skill set to discover new medications, design new and better medication delivery systems, to maximize the skills of pharmacists practicing in healthcare systems and throughout our communities. You have the skills to help patients, prescribers, and other members of the healthcare teams make the very best use of medications. So society's ask, I think, is that you put those skills to good use. You put those skills to use in keeping us safe. That you evaluate the risk and rewards of all medication therapies. And that you manage patients to achieve the desired outcome while avoiding potentially dangerous side effects. That you deliver care with efficiency and effectiveness. And that you bring to the table your creativity and ingenuity to improve the care of our society. That you bring to the table new paradigms of care, new ways of thinking, the use of new technologies that will, for example, better connect us with patients and overall improve the care of our patients. I think society also asks that as a member of the pharmacy profession that you be prepared for crisis and potentially dangerous situations. Pandemics might fall in this category. Yes, crisis situations create an unparalleled urgency for action and service. But safe and effective care should never be displaced by urgency. And finally, I think society's ask of us includes that we practice and we provide service with compassion and ethics that you'd want for your loved ones. Now, I know that you are fully capable of meeting and fulfilling the ask of society, and you will do more than asked. I know that you will have a wonderful and successful career, and I congratulate you in advance on all the accomplishments that you will have. As I close, I want to caution you that there will be times in your career that you will feel overwhelmed. I want you to know that you are never in the profession or practice alone. Yes, you will always have the support of family and friends during times of needs, but you will also have a tremendous Badger pharmacy network that is there to support you. A network that is national and international in scope and spans the entire spectrum of healthcare. Cultivate relationships in that network and call on those relationships during times of need. And finally, I want to encourage you to stay actively involved in professional organizations and take advantage of any opportunity to collaborate with other members of the healthcare team. You see, healthcare is a team sport, and you are a very important member of that team. Again, congratulations on all your achievements to date. I look forward to watching a fantastic career that I'm sure that you will have and your many accomplishments. Congratulations, and thank you for your time today.